Hello, this is me, Jayco, and I'm with the Asus Diamond Soul Siren. Grabe din talaga. Miss Nina, the ever beautiful, timeless beauty. Tignan nyo naman, no? Grabe. And so, she will having a concert,
Yes.
Love Matters. Talk about it.
Love Matters. It's gonna be on February 7 at the New Frontier Theater. It's my pre-Valentine concert. Pre-Valentine kasi baka mamaya ayaw nyo nang lumabas on February 14. So, tayo nang mag-celebrate ng Valentine concert on February 7 sa New Frontier Theater entitled Love Matters.
Ayan. So, importante talaga yung love, hindi ba?
Yes, importante because hate doesn't matter, only love matters.
Yeah, tama. Love lang, di
Diba?
ba? And I love your poster, Talagang
Thank you.
very fresh, very
Iba naman yung itsura.
heart,
Yes,
di ba?
iba naman ang itsura.
Yeah.